Hi, welcome to the Tech Spyglass. So today we are going to discuss about top 5 games for Android, and in the end I will be revealing the best Android games, so make sure to watch till the end and let me know in comments your favorite Android game. So first up is Among Us. Among Us is a multiplayer game where players are crew members on a spaceship. The goal is to complete tasks around the ship while also trying to identify the imposters among the crew. The imposter's goal is to sabotage the ship and eliminate crewmates without being caught. Players discuss and vote on who they believe the imposters are, adding a social deduction aspect to the gameplay. Second is Genshin Impact. Genshin Impact is an action-packed open-world RPG set in the fantasy world of Teyvat. Players explore the vast world, completing quests, defeating enemies, and uncovering secrets. The game features a diverse cast of characters, each with unique abilities and elemental powers. Players can switch between characters in real time during combat, combining their skills to unleash powerful combos. Genshin Impact also incorporates a gacha system for acquiring new characters and weapons. Third is Call of Duty Mobile. Call of Duty Mobile brings the fast-paced action of the popular first-person shooter franchise to mobile devices. The game offers a variety of multiplayer modes, including Team Deathmatch, Domination, and Battle Royale. Players can customize their loadouts, unlock and upgrade weapons, and compete against others in intense online battles. Call of Duty Mobile also features a Battle Royale mode where players fight to be the last one standing on a large map. Fourth is PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile is a Battle Royale game where players parachute onto an island and compete to be the last person or team standing. Players scavenge for weapons, vehicles, and supplies while avoiding the shrinking play zone and battling other players. The game offers multiple maps, each with its own unique terrain and challenges. PUBG Mobile also includes various gameplay modes, including classic Battle Royale, Payload Mode, and Arcade Mode. Fifth is Minecraft. Minecraft is a sandbox game that allows players to build and explore virtual worlds made up of blocks. Players can gather resources, craft tools and items, and construct elaborate structures. The game offers multiple modes, including Survival Mode, where players must gather resources and fend off enemies, and Creative Mode, where players have unlimited resources to build and create. Minecraft also supports multiplayer, allowing players to collaborate and play together online. These games offer a wide range of experiences, from social deduction and exploration to fast-paced action and creative building, catering to different gaming preferences, but coming to best game for Android is Genshin Impact. The game garnered praise for its stunning visuals, vast open world, and engaging gameplay. It combines elements of action, adventure, and role-playing, offering players a rich and immersive experience. Furthermore, the game is regularly updated with new content, events, and expansions, keeping the experience fresh and exciting for players. I want to thank you all so much for watching till the end. If you did enjoy it, share this video. I will see you in the next video.